Alright guys, it's Parker here. He's depressed. So we're gonna be going on about a 30-minute trip. It's about 16.6 miles all the way to the other end of this giant lake. And we're gonna be jumping off waterfalls. We're gonna be climbing up waterfalls. We're gonna be fishing on top of waterfalls. We're gonna probably be doing the riskiest thing.
There's like a 30 to 40 foot drop off the waterfall where there's giant walleye lay, and we're gonna be jigging. So hopefully we can cast something.
We'll be able to cast for smallmouth up in those coves up there too.
And on top of the river, there's like ponds or whatever in the creeks that like connect to the river. And so hopefully like we can do a couple casts in there and see what we get.
This probably will be the riskiest thing we've ever done. So see you soon. All right guys, we're here at the falls, the very, very end of the lake. We're gonna go fish this river and its falls.
We got a little journey on us.
Okay. Go up through here. That. Dude, Chase.
I need to keep there. Go on. Push it away.
It's so cool. You good? This is insane, guys. This is insane. Holy cow. Yeah. We gotta go around. I don't know. No. I'm gonna throw a rooster tail. You guys catch anything?
We're trolling.
What?
We're trolling around this bend.
Nice. Yeah. Look at this ledge. I can see in, yeah. That's pretty insane.
There's gotta be something.
We'll catch you guys when we catch a fish. Alright. We're gonna go climb up these waterfalls. Go to this. Oh crap. Oh my god. Holy crap. This is dangerous.
It's all part of like a giant boulder.
This is risky. Okay, we made it. Dude, be careful. This is insane, guys. This is insane. We'll see you guys when we get to the falls. All right, we're gonna keep going. Hey, we gotta go up. I see a trail. Oh, hole. Watch your step.
What do you mean? Is that water?
That's a hole.
That's water down there.
Bro, this is so risky. Holy crap. That's fresh. Look how clean those bones are.
Bro. That could make this a hole.
We made it to the falls, guys.
Well, that's pretty.
We made it. Now we gotta go up. Chase, Chase!
Good. I need to help Harry.
Yeah. Hang on, sit your stuff down.
Yeah, there's a trail. It's probably a deer trail.
Harry, do you want some help? We've tried. There's a trail that goes up through here.
Need help? Nope. Okay. It's crazy.
You good?
Good. Alright.
Looks pretty easy from here. That's him. That scare you?
No.
Keep going.
You probably went through the hardest part.
Yeah, we probably took the harder path. Yep, down through there.
This pole, I'm gonna.
We're almost there.
Dude, it's right here.
Holy crap, dude. Holy crap.
Worker,
Get ready for this view.
worker. Do not fall, bro.
Holy. Oh my gosh.
Look at these pockets.
Whoa, that's so deep. Dude. Holy cow.
Oh my gosh. Be careful, it could be slippery.
We made it, dude. Hey, look at my dad. Dude, I kind of want to go swimming right now. Not in here.
In here, bro.
I wonder how deep it is. I'm gonna just drop it down. Hang on, hang on. Ready? That's like 10 feet deep.
Go digging. How deep is it?
Probably like 5, 6. About 5.
Very smart.
Thanks. Back. Alright, we're heading back, guys. Down to the pool. Gonna go down there. And then we're gonna go jig. And then, you guys stay tuned. At the end of this video, I'm jumping off a cliff. Yup. An actual cliff, guys. So stay tuned and see me jump off a 40-foot cliff.
In the lake.
Fishing wasn't good. Well, don't worry, guys, because we're gonna troll around in here, jig in here, and then go back down the river. And I'm gonna jump off a cliff. 40,
And I will watch you.
40 feet. You could jump off a smaller ledge. Chase is scared of heights, so.
No, I'm not. I'm scared of water. You can't even see it. It's all red.
So, yeah. We will see you guys when we catch a fish or when I jump off a cliff. See ya.
I'm hungry.